Part of the fun at Christmas time is to decorate the tree. In this challenge, you can make your own decorations from salt dough in any shape you like. You can even paint them, and unlike normal cookies, they will last a very long time. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Use measuring scales to measure the flour and place in the bowl. Add the salt and water and stir together. It should begin to get sticky. You can use your hands to knead it together. Add a little flour if it's too wet and a drop of water if it's too dry. Roll your dough out on the baking paper until it's approximately 1 centimetre thick and use your cookie cutters or a skewer to make your outline shapes. Use a straw to push a hole through at the top of your shape. That's for the ribbon to hang your ornament on the tree. But not until they've been baked. Bake in a hot oven for around 1 hour or until firm to the touch, and don't worry if they go a little brown. When they've cooled, you can paint your ornaments any colour you like. Add some glitter to make them extra special. When the paint has dried, a thin coat of UPVC, that's white glue, can help give your ornaments a shine. Give the glue a chance to dry and then add your ribbon or string. And your decoration is ready for the tree. Well done! You've completed the Christmas challenge. The salt we use for cooking is a compound of equal numbers of sodium and chloride ions packed together in a crystal lattice form. If you have a magnifying glass, take a look at a few grains, especially sea salt. You'll be able to see the crystals for yourself. Because salt helps prevent food from decaying, it's been used as a preservative for many centuries. This made salt so valuable that in some countries it was even used as a way of paying for things. You can download this experiment and others at the iet.org/Santa and find out more about the properties of salt, as well as lots of other fun activities. And I hope to see you back here at Santa's STEM workshop very soon. Bye!